Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by locating Clock app and tapping on it. Then hit Allow in the pop-up and tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Following that, select this plus icon on the right and set Tap an hour. When you finished, hit OK in the pop-up. Now click on Add Label at the top and type in wherever you want to. When you finished, select OK. Now click on Days of the week that you wish to set up. And when you're done, click on this little bell. Now you can download YouTube Music or Spotify Music by clicking on one of those apps, or select Dismissed in the pop-up. In order to use YouTube Music or Spotify, click on it at the top, log into one of your accounts and use music from it. You can also click on Sounds, tap on Add New under your sounds and tap on any song from your device to apply it. If you don't want to do it, just click on one of those sounds, like for example, neon. Now, thanks to this icon next to Vibrate, you can disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And thanks to this one next to Google Assistant Routine, you can add or remove your alarm from it. When you're ready, click on this icon at the top right corner of your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully adjusted. To switch it off completely, hit the blue sweater next to it. And to turn it back on, tap on the same, now grey one. If you wish to delete your alarm, tap on top right corner again and select the delete icon at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!